In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with an URL shortener. As you can see, I'm on this website called AdFly, and I think most of you already know what this website is. It's basically a URL shrinker, as you can see here. You can put this on your website, as you can see here, or on your, for example, YouTube video. So if you have a website, Instagram page, or basically anything with lots of traffic, you can monetize it with a AdFly link. So basically, if you, for example, have a video, so here's an example video, how to change the location on Netflix. And this is an example video, but if you have something to share through a link, so for example, this is an example by the VPN here. You can send them to the VPN through an URL shortener. So what the people that use the link have to do is they have to click the link, then they will be sent to the URL shortener service AdFly. They will see some small ads, and you will get money with the ads that they are showing. So let's say you already have an account or a login. So I'm going to hit join now. That's what you want to do. Then you want to make an account. I'm going to sign in with Google. Then, as you can see, this is what it says. One last step, you can agree. And now you're logged in. And here you can see the earnings. As you can see, I just made it, so I have no earnings yet. But you can basically find the link. So let's say your link is test website one.com. Something like this, then hit shrink. As you can see, now the link has changed to this, and you can put this in your description. So this is the description of this video. Let's put the link in here, then hit save. And now when someone watches the YouTube video over here, you can see that here is the link. So let's say you made a video about how to download a software, just how to download a software. You explain it, and you have to hit the link in the bio, and then when someone hits it, look what happens. That will be brought over to this website, and as you can see, you will see ads, and for this ads you get paid. Here it says please wait 1 second. Now you can skip it by skipping ad, and as you can see, now you can hit allow, and if I hit allow, I will be redirected to the website I entered in over here, which is testwebsite.com. And now if you have lots of traffic, like 500 or 1000 people a day that visit your page, and you want to make money from it, this is an easy way to make money from it. It's basically only a URL shortener to link them to the things you do. So as you can see, this was the website, testwebsite.com. And if this video helped you to make money online, and you can get directly paid into your PayPal account, as you can see here, or Payoneer if you prefer that. And that's basically it. If this video helped you out to earn money online, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.